With Christmas just a week away, one nutritionist is warning Jamaicans not to overindulge in unhealthy foods. TVJ Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
Calorie is a unit of energy. It's a way of describing how much energy your body gets from eating and drinking. Nutritionist Fran Mafood says persons take in calories according to age, gender, and activity levels. However, the average daily calorie intake is 2,000. But Mrs. Mafood says the problem is oftentimes during holiday periods like the Christmas season. Persons tend to eat more than the average daily calorie intake. She says portion control is critical.
A slice of Christmas pudding, depending on the ingredients, but it averages 400 to 600 calories a slice. A glass of wine is 150 calories. A glass of sorrel may run to 150 depending how much sugar is added. So I'm just giving you an idea. A cup of rice and gunga peas may go to 150, 200 calories depending how much coconut milk and butter was put in the rice.
Mrs. Mafood says if persons overindulge, they will gain weight. She says persons oftentimes will gain at least 7 pounds after the holiday period.
If you're overweight or obese, you don't want to gain any more weight. If you have any risk factors to heart disease, like diabetes, hypertension, you don't really want to eat foods that will trigger any of those numbers to go up, to spike those numbers. You want to control them this holiday season. 80% of NCDs, non-communicable diseases, we attribute to lifestyle. So we have to make these lifestyle changes.
While most Jamaicans openly acknowledge they will indulge in eating more than usual during Christmas period, the nutritionist is asking you not to do so.
Try and bake, broil, oven roast, or grill. Try to use other methods of cooking, not to add too much oil, not to add too much sodium, and not to add too much sugar to your food. So, use natural seasonings.
With her health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.